NASDAQ is inside our R1, S1, sorry. Let me just start my. This is a little bit messed up here. This is loading up. Quantower has loaded up. That is good. And this one is loaded up. Team Apex 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 trade of it are open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 trade of it are open, grouped. 21. This group is 6 and 6. 21 and 21, 6 and 6. This group is 5. 5 and 5. This group is 5. 5 and 5. This group is 5. Just grouping them all together. This group is 3. Purdia is 3 and 3. This group account is 3 and 3. This group account is 5 and 5. Okay, good. Number 9, this group is 6 and 6. And this group is 5. All right. I think we're all good here. Good. Let's connect here to Purdia, maybe. Quantower open. Orders. Okay. See orders. See order. Ten more seconds. All right, let's get this going. Good morning, everybody. Tuesday, December 9th, 9:02 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to SuperAreas.com. Thank you for coming in person as well as online at Win Lifetime. Thank you for coming at Win Lifetime and in person as well as on SuperAreas.com for all the virtual gathering. Let's get started. Let me just set my charts up, my layout. Okay, it's all good. My copier is running. This one is good, so I can't touch this account because. All right, so anything I say here from next couple of hours until 12 o'clock is not financial advice, just for informational, educational, entertainment purposes only. I'll be with one of your um, 6 mentors here at superareas.com doing this live stream, just keeping you along with the market, ES Gold, NASDAQ futures for the next few hours. Little tired today because of the whole server fiasco yesterday. Still don't have a UPS for it, but it's okay. That's beside the point. That's not what I'm carrying at the moment. But let me just disconnect this. Good morning जी क्या हाल चाल है भैया बस ठीक ठाक आप कैसे हो good लाइव आ गए आप very nice. All right, so Forex Factory guys, there's 10 o'clock, there's news, so be ready. 10 o'clock, you have Joe's opening. Tomorrow is interest rate. So first thing is first, Forex Factory, you have 10 o'clock news. So be very careful. You already see 8:15, a bit of a employment change weekly, but Joel's job opening is critical. So right now, price is inside S1. At the moment, earnings wise, we don't have anything critical, just maybe GameStop, and everybody is under like 60 to $10 billion today. We are hitting S1 right now as we speak. Disconnect this and bullocks to my. So yeah, let me disconnect. So okay, so Purdia gets disconnected. Okay, that's good. So last night's highs and lows, let's write it down on my daily NQ analysis. What do we have? Highs and lows. Sorry, every morning I just gotta take care of this slightly. 729 is the high, 730, 601 is the low. We are opening below pivot right at the normal, at S1, and base is down, pressure is down. News, ADP, and Jolts is today's the big thing. And tomorrow we have interest rate, December 9. That will be a little volatile. But let's see. I'm not taking S1. Just saying, clear disclaimer, because 240 has boxes. So I'm going to wait for at least S2 or expected low. That's my plan. A good, because 240 now finally has boxes. And these boxes will, price generally drives there. And we are live every else. Yes. So yeah, I decided to open TikTok and I will set up the server along with you guys to see. So price is inside, and for ES slightly. So 42 is where I'm thinking. 42 bottom of the value area. So December 9. Let me make some notes here at my actual note taking process of every day for new month. Week number 2, day number 2, December 9. So where's my pivot? NQ pivot is 700. So 25, 700, 703 to be exact, 704 to be really exact. And so NQ S1 is being done at the moment right now. we're inside that range. Yesterday's low was 564. So let's see if it starts to go down. I'll make it. So let's see. My good entry would be. I'll randomly close TikTok, by the way, before I give you entries. So my good entry would be $25,350. So that was the entry I gave you guys on TikTok. I mean, not on TikTok, everything except TikTok. So I will randomly be shutting down TikTok audio through this button here. So for those who are just joining for on TikTok will get audio. Today, Daniel is not going to do a brief. He is not in today. So we'll just roll with it. Now, ES is kind of officially done on our, but wait for it because, you know, you don't want to have crazy. And the first attempt on ES is done. Our area on ES is done on S1. ES S1 is done, and NASDAQ is inside bottom range, right? Excuse me. Oh man, weather is changing. Oh God, getting cold here. So what do I have right there? It is my $10,000 server that I just picked up from. It's the HP Workstation P90. It's off lease. Picked it up yesterday, last night. What does it have? It has so something cool along with it. I'll show you how to build a server because that's what my expertise are. I've done that for IPTV servers for 10 years, a decade. How the HLS streaming works, how do you broadcast the channel and everything. So the server is a 6248R by Intel Dual Xeon. So 3 gigahertz. I believe it's 48 core. I'll just double check. It has 4 terabytes of NVMe hard drive. I know a lot of people, they're saying, what does this have to do with trading? Oh, you'll see very soon. And I do have a 500 SSD where it's going to boot VMware or Proxmox or whatever. And UPS is coming today from CDW, a 3000 2700 watt CPU PSU, so my VMs don't go down. And what is my plan? I have a this is, again, I'm not trading anybody else's account. I'm only trading my own account. So it's not something that I'm not too concerned. So if you took S1 on both markets are, I believe you're kind of done, but for ES though. So I have my master account, my main computer with 32 gigs of RAM. And right now I'm trading 75 accounts, just a trader weight. Apex 20, Take Profit 5, My Funded Futures 5, Trade Day 6, Funded Next 6, Legends 5, Tradeify 5, Lucid 5, Alpha 5, and Purdia is actually 3. So that's just 10 trade of it right there. Then you have Rithmic. So you do have Rithmic going at 13 bull noxes, 10 evaluation, 3 performance. Then I have Futures Desk. That's doing 1. And I'm doing a few others, day traders. I'm doing 5. These are all Rithmic. 1, 2, 3. So over 100 plus accounts. So how do you do that with one click? Because when you have S1 coming, it's going to happen one time. When you have S2, S3, I don't want to put in pre-orders and then have 10. So I'm building a custom solution for myself to be able to so I brought all the hardware. I think this one has display port. Yes, I picked up display port to HDMI today. Got the power, just need to call CWD after 11. So that'll be a good challenge to put this together. So your S1 is officially done, by the way. If you are in, you can probably go up to 52, the mid band. And I'm done S1 too. On my Bullnox master accounts, S1 is done. A few points are done. So let's see if it pushes up. Entered from 48. It's right now it's 50. It has given me 2 points. So S1 is officially done. So it's up to you if you wanna. And NASDAQ kind of it's inside still S1, but it's lifting. The moment it lifts up to 25, we can consider that done. And 913, 913. So we still got like some time. And again, guys, this is advanced level server management, advanced level. Don't get anxiety that, hey, I can't even clear one account and you guys are doing up to 100 accounts. This is not for, that's why I moved here from the main location. I don't want to help you guys understand buy, sell, stop, sell, buy limit, stall limit, none of that. If you can't even click on Ninja Trader, this stream is not for you. So this is a little bit who do understand some main concepts about support and resistance and maybe moving averages. I won't go any more advanced than that. Good enough. So primarily I stick to moving averages and support and resistance. Yes, occasionally S&P first pullbacks on mid bands. Because again, the goal is 100 accounts, $100 each. That's $10,000 a day. That's the goal. And then you don't need to, rather than having one big account of $1 million, it's better to have smaller accounts, do micros. And that's the strategy I've put together. And it's been successful. So even for Bullnox's 3 accounts, I just posted my results, ready for second $1,000 out. All right, so S1 is done. It just needs. Good morning, जी. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, लाइव आ गया सर 9 बजे 9 बजे। तो आज आपने लेनी है S2 नीचे 520 से पहले कुछ नहीं, 520 से पहले। आज मैंने थोड़ी हेल्प भी चाहिए। हाँ जी, दसो सर। आज बोलो। हाँ जी, हाँ जी। बेटे ने आना नहीं आज ना। ठीक है। तो उसके अकाउंट में $50 बनाने लास्ट डे है। ठीक है, बना लो तो लॉग इन करके जितने मर्जी। मैं सर अपना नंबर दे रहे हैं S2 ਦਾ ਬਾਟਮ ਬਸ ਹਾਂ 520 ਤੇ ਰੁਕਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ 240 ਦਾ ਮਿਡ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਰੁਕਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ 520 ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਸਰ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ 10 ਵਜੇ ਵੀ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ S&P ਨਹੀਂ NASDAQ MNQ ਹਾਂ MNQ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਸਰ ES ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਦਾ ਨੰਬਰ 42 ਆਣਾ ਹੈ 42 ਤੇ ਬਾਈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਬਾਈ ਬਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 42 43 ਹੈ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਏਰੀਆ ਦਾ ਬਾਟਮ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਦੋ ਨੰਬਰ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਨਾ 42 और 520 ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੀਸਰਾ ਬਣੇਗਾ 33 30 ਉਹ S2 ਦੋਨੋਂ ਦੀ S ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 240 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਕਸਸ ਆ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਇਹਨੇ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਅੱਜ ਨਾ ਹੋਈ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਫਿਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ S2 ਤੇ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟਡ ਲੋ ਗੋਲਡ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨੰਬਰ ਹੈ गोल्ड सर गोल्ड बेचारा थक जाएगा एक सेकंड गोल्ड की तरफ आ ही जाने 26 का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट गोल्ड सर गोल्ड वेट करो एटलीस्ट 4200 का ओके फॉर सेल बाय 42 बाय सर अच्छा सर जी गल कुछ नहीं जिਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਨਿੰਜਾ ਦਾ ਐਕਸਪਾਇਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ ਕੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ 15 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਲੇਕਿਨ 골ਡ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਦਾ ਤੇ 골ਡ ਤੇ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ 골ਡ ਤੇ ਨੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ 골ਡ ਨੂੰ ਆਣ ਦਿਓ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਰ 골ਡ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਬਾਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ 골ਡ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਵੇਟ ਕਰੋ 4100 ਦਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ 4100 ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲੌਂਗ ਬਾਈ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਰਮ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਈਕਰੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਛੱਡ ਦਿਓ 4100 ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਲਡਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ $1500 1 माइक्रो मार्जिन देख लेना है सुपर एरियाज मार्जिन्स निंजा मार्जिन्स 1500 ये है जी MGC सर $1650 और नैस्डैक का कितना $3300 नैस्डैक बहुत घट है MES का है 2325 ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ नैस्डैक ਤੇ ES ਵੱਧ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਟਰੰਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਾਈਟ ਵੋਲੈਟਿਲਿਟੀ ਲੇਕਿਨ MES ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ $2400 ਤੇ MNQ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ 1600 ਨਹੀਂ 1600 골ਡ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਹਾਂ 골ਡ ਦਾ MGC ਅੱਛਾ 1600 2400 3400 ਯੈਸ 16 2400 ਯੈਸ ਰਸਲ ਜਨਰਲੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਰਸਲ $1000 ਹੁੰਦਾ the Dow. Same, Russell भी down है, I mean $1400 Dow है. ते start होंदे ने 1000 तो 1000 1500 तो 1000 तो like gold 1600 1500 ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ 1600 ਹੋ ਗਿਆ. No problem भाई. ठीक है, thank you. एक तो इधर 742 और 500 भी 500 ही आया. मैं फिर इधर बैठूंगा थोड़ी देर मेरे अकाउंट वास्ते. No problem, no problem. All right, testing one more time. I took a couple of points out of it for my MES because again, against the trend, you're always, remember, when you are hitting the S zone, you're hitting the R zone, you're always going against the trend. Everything will be red and you will say, I want to buy it. Everything will be green and you're going to say, I want to sell. So support and resistance, value area, all of these generally happen against the trend. It's not generally actually happen against the trend. So when the price is hitting S1, and this is not a trend trade. It is a counter trade against the trend. So while that's happening, we got 20 minutes. I'll start booting up my mega server to see if I can get the USBs going and start my virtualization of my machines. All right, it's a beast. So, all right, I brought in a very special. This came from a storage, so I gotta clean it up. So this is a switch. It's a power switch. Looks ordinary, but it has an Ethernet port. Allows me to control the power through Ethernet, right? So what it is, it's pretty cool thing. A normal switch. So if I have to boot up something or boot, it has an Ethernet port. Allows me to control my power over Ethernet. So this is going to be a mega server. This is, yeah. And hopefully once this is working well, I will probably go near CME and put it in a data center. So I have redundant power and redundant internet. So let me clean this up. I haven't used this since I was doing IRD systems back in the day of 10 years ago. This is a 10-year-old switch. It's pretty powerful. It allows you uninterrupted. You can cycle power through all remote. And yeah, let it dry. I don't electrocute myself, but a lot of dust here. So if you're into tech, some of this stuff will excite you. All right, got some power happening. This model is called DLI, Digital Loggers. Yes, about 8-10 years ago. Still works beautiful. Gives you an IP address from your router, gives you an app, you can log in, you can control your switches. And I started to get into home automation. There was a flood in the basement, and then I decided, hey, power, I can control even the home water now with a few clicks. So I can shut off main water from internet, or it'll auto shut off based on certain rules if it detects water leakage. So I don't have a video on Zoom जी. Zoom पे नहीं आ रहा मैं. लो जी, आ गया जी. Zoom पे आ गया जी. Zoom आ गया. Thank you जी, thank you. Zoom आ गया. Zoom भी set हो गया. वो picture in picture वाला बटन नहीं दबा हुआ था. Too many things. It looks like it. For $100 बनाने के लिए हजारों तो चीजें ऑन करनी होती हैं. ये भी overkill. But this is a lab more than, so get to test a lot of stuff. Then, so home lab, office lab. All right, let's set up my boot up my beast. Let it dry for 5 minutes. And all right, this is, my God, man, this thing is heavy. So it's a workstation, not a rack server. So works, the main difference is you can put this in your home and it's pretty quiet rather than. So it takes DisplayPort and DVI, 2 dual network cards, and single power. They didn't give me a Windows license, dumbasses. All right. So it's the Lenovo P. Right. Oh man, ThinkStation. Should be called it. Yeah, so that's my NVIDIA Quadro. I don't care about graphics card. My NVMEs are there. Everything is good. So there's nothing going on here. We don't care. So brand new cost almost still 22,000. So I was able to pick this up for $7,200 Canadian. So cool. Yeah, a little bit beat up. So maybe TD or RBC or something. Still relatively new. So come on. Good morning, G. Got my shirt. Okay, so this is gonna make me money, hopefully. So investment 10 grand, return should be at least $1 million out of it. Otherwise, it's not useful. So when we set up IPTV servers and we got to 100,000 users, that's where technology really. When you 100,000 users were. Good morning, G. Verizon servers. Or Vajan, let's just don't come in and steal this guy, guys. Server, it's just a processor. It doesn't have any money in it. This thing. Some of you dumbasses out there on TikTok. मैं तो घर मुझे तो ख्वाब में भी सर्वर आ रहे थे और क्या. When you are a tech guy, you only dream what makes you not sleep at night is these virtual switches and racks and V-racks and tunnels and everything else, right? So, all right, 5 minutes to go. S1 is officially done. Just saying, which model is this? This one is the Lenovo P920. Yeah, that's the one I can. So off lease, 7 grand. This one is Intel Dual Xeon 6248R, 256 gigs of RAM, which I can go up to, I believe, 2 terabytes. I don't care. I'm assigning each virtual machine only 8 gigs of RAM and only 50 gigs of hard drive because it needs to run Ninja, needs to run Windows. And I will do the 2024 IoT, which is the cheapest, not the cheapest, the lowest running Windows without updates. And I'll assign some hard drive. So I just got to pick between Proxmox and VMware, whichever is cheaper. So, all right. We are at the bottom range of S1 at the moment. So its opening base is down. So just know that. I'm only done 2 points from 48 to 50. So yes, NASDAQ कुछ भी नहीं सर, अभी बॉटम रेंज आ लेने दें सर. वहाँ बॉक्सेस बने हुए हैं, अभी बॉक्सेस गए किधर? ओ सर, ये तो मैं गोल्ड देख रहा हूँ. ये क्या हुआ? अच्छा, MES में भी बॉक्स आ गए हैं और MNQ भी. S2 से पहले कुछ नहीं करना यार. S2 और 10 बजे न्यूज़ भी है, तो might as well. Think I brought in some USBs along with it because I gotta download some ISOs. So yes, that's the actual build. ThinkStation P920 dual Xeon 6248R, 256 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes. So it cost me 86.44 Canadian. Okay. So That's the benefit of it when you know a bit of an IT and trading together, you can make a good use out of it. Okay. All right. So where's my USBs with different images? Ideal for 50 lots in MES two micro G और क्या करना है कुछ हुआ तो पकड़ तो लेंगे S1 2 lots, S2 maybe 4, S3 maybe 5 micros. The bigger the better. The range, the farther the better. Right now we are in S1 at 928. So let's see what happened exactly when it opens. Right now it's playing at yesterday's low. Remember that. Yesterday's low is 35 for ES. It may shoot from here. It doesn't matter. So if you're done from the bottom range, it gave you already 3 points from the bottom range. ES is done. And NASDAQ is kind of got to the bottom range too. So NASDAQ gave you 15 points though. 588 तक गई थी हमारा नंबर 590 था वहां से हो गया जी so ES and NASDAQ both bottom ranges are done just saying yeah yesterday was सिर्फ रह गया अब इसमें PSU मेन पावर सप्लाई UPS सॉरी उल्टा बोल गया जी UPS कल नहीं करते हैं उनको कल so let's see but today I'll leave at 2 o'clock and I'll try to get this installed, get the installation started. And I'll show you, if anybody wants to come to Win Lifetime, I'll show you how you can go all crazy if you are trading more than 100 accounts. Then it makes sense, otherwise it doesn't. If you're trading 5 accounts, you don't need any of this. So bottom range is done for both S&P and NASDAQ, and we are good to go. It may go and retest it. It's opening, so 1 minute to go. Let's see. It's a mid-band. So congratulations if you took S1. If you're done, you're done. That's what Daniel says too. You're done. All right, जी boom 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 S1 से done हो गया चली जाएगी जाने दें जी हो गया जी ट्रेड मोस्ट लोगों का ट्रेड डन हो गया First pullback on ES gap trade done. Officially done now. First pullback 2 points. It's testing night session. Let's see. और यार मेरे से एमिन के बड़े अकाउंट में वो लग गया नहीं 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 माइक्रो 20 पॉइंट yes so sell it didn't touch S1 fully bottom range 588 yes where कौन सा जी S1 done भी हो गया मॉर्निंग में S1 डन हो गया 45 भी डन है 48 भी डन है एंड कौन सा नहीं डन हुआ जी This one is what? It's long. ये ना जाना. ठीक है. थोड़ा जा wait कर लो. So it's testing. 42 is our area for yesterday for ES. We don't have a value area on anywhere else. Again, it touched area 48 again, second time around. And let's see which way it wants to go. Okay, it's gone back up. Trading. Strike price. I'm not skipping S2. We're waiting for S2. Wait, S1 is only done, so wait. 520 जी S20 में बॉटम वाला ले रहा हूँ 520 वाला ले रहा हूँ उससे पहले नहीं कुछ ले रहा correct nothing before 520 yes 520 should be okay but before that now अभी तो वो वापस जा रहा है let's see if it makes S1 as a resistance yet before it goes to S2 अभी 520 से 560 तक गया मैं 520 पे वेट कर रहा था हमारा एरिया 550 था मैं अभी 550 520 पे बैठा हूँ मेरा वो निंजा के पिवट से थोड़ा सा ऊपर से चला गया 560 से भाग गया नो प्रॉब्लम ES did not react that crazy so let's see if it wants to go ahead and do something so right now it's pulling back up 5 60 लो लगाया इसने and Q put it up. So I'm not considering S2 done officially. To be honest, I'm not considering because at least 520 for ESG. Wait कर रहा हूँ 43 का 40 bottom of the value area. I'm waiting for, and then I will go inside S2 33 68 33 का wait कर रहा हूँ. अभी कुछ नहीं करना. वो सर मेरा ख्याल है ब्राउजर तो ट्राई करो, ट्रेडो वेट तो नहीं, ब्राउजर खोलना 68.55. All right, pulling up. One. हाँ जी, नहीं ये ब्राउजर नहीं है ना, तो कोई और होगा. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤਿੰਨ ਮੁxtਲਿਫ ब्राउजर लगे हैं ना. S1 डन जी, कंग्रेचुलेशन जी रिजवान भाई, आपने S1 ले लिया और देखें S1 से कहाँ गई, पिवट तक जाना चाहिए. So our pivot should act like a good. Right now S1 did not. I did not see if S1 acted as a resistance. I wasn't paying attention. I'm waiting for kind of pivot to go. And ES, I'm waiting for now. First is around yesterday's high 70. PP should act like a good resistance. Correct. It's coming from 560, so at 700, it should act as a good 703, 700, 705. These should act as a good resistance. Good morning, जी. ओके सर, सेल कितने बंदी है? सर सेल पिवट पे पहले 700 पे पहला और फिर ऊपर पहले फिर R1 R2. ES का ES का तो सेल तो खत्म हो गई, वो वापस नीचे आ गई, डन आ गई सर. ये इस चक्करों में आपका ट्रेड मिस हो जाएगा. हो गया, डन हो गया ट्रेड. तो ये 520 आप 520 का वेट करें क्योंकि 520 गिर गया बड़ी तेजी से लेके आए नहीं. Wow, man, this is incredible how fast you can't be ESPP good resistance. So this you have to be proactive, because reactive, if you're not done, you're not done. So it's act right now testing 680. चलो कोई आ जाएंगे तो देख लेंगे. नो प्रॉब्लम. 616 चल रही है ना. हाँ जी, लेकिन वो जा रही थी ना 700, वो थोड़ा जो ऊपर आई है 650 था. एक सेकंड मैं बताता हूँ. 650 से मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ 700, वो 650 से सीधा ही 600 पे गई है. ठीक है, 50 पॉइंट 700 पे वेट करिए. यस, 700 का मिनिमम. First pullback is done, जी. First pullback is done officially on ES. If you 60 से आया आप enter हुए 55 पे, and first pullback is done. SRES is building on. कहाँ से enter हूँ मैं? 50 से trace concierge 57 open 52. Let's see which way NASDAQ wants to go. Because remember, 10 o'clock, we have a very, very strong news. So be very careful at around 10 o'clock. It could, what we want to skip S2. I will wait for 520 bottom of the blue box. And then that's a 240 mid-band. That's another one. And true number for me would be on expected low on NASDAQ. That if it goes and fills 350, that would be great. All right, SRES is building. I'll put in my some accounts trading after. The 10 o'clock news. Come on down now. 58. NASDAQ wants to go up, but let's see.
Yeah, rejection are you?
622. So it should go and test night low, which is all right. Tested NASDAQ again. जा नहीं पाई वो 620 नहीं टूट रहा उससे क्योंकि 7 पिवट पे जाएगी तो देखेंगे किस लिया
शॉर्ट की था 600 पॉइंट जो माइक्रो पर हारा कौन सीधे रहे थे 90
बड़ा हार्ड इससे कंसोलिडेशन उधर ही खड़ी है
न्यूज़ ही डेटा हुई मतलब
wants to come down but it's not huge gap between ES and NASDAQ. They're not synced at all. True. 9 minutes to news, guys. And night high 68 though. Let's see. Yes, 560 से 660 तक 100 पॉइंट गई है एकदम. Like so 560 to pretty crazy. ES wants to catch up to NASDAQ. ES is pulling up while NASDAQ is kind of stuck there. All right, next candle. 7 minutes, T. 7 minutes to go for news. NASDAQ has come down more from 650 to 600. It's hovering. It's inside S1. So news will decide now. Yes, ES is at, let me double check. ES touched the pivot and came down. Correct. So, 4 minutes to news. Seven, 58, 58, 58. 2 minutes to news. So third candle rejection. All right, I'll say yogi sound. Sorry. 1 minute to news, guys. Be ready. Okay, news is gonna come any second now. 7654. So red high impact news coming. Let's see. No major craziness so far. Maybe it's still pending. Pending. Still pending. Pending. Somebody has to upload. Yeah, trade. Yeah, you can trade prop depending on the company's evaluation. Most you can, no problem. Still pending. All right. Let's see which way. It's green news. The technically should go up. Technically, the word is technically, so it's green news. Generally green to go up, but let's see. No reaction in the market, kind of. NASDAQ went $36 up. ES went up $3-4. So we're still waiting for our pivot. So no craziness. Now, I mean, no major spikes. So news is green. So we just sit and wait to see. While everybody waiting for some reaction, really nothing came. So it means more people, more companies have jobs opening. But remember, release data is delayed by 7 days. So there could be two simultaneously releases. So you have to kind of take it as whatever. It's not going to be things like that. It's accurate. It is US government is still shut down. So forecast actual. Okay. So wants to go up. Good. And NASDAQ be ready. That's the over 729 is night high. And yeah, it should be. We should have our before R1, we gotta look for pivot. Pivot is there before R1. ES is heading into R1 soon. We just got the alert, and NASDAQ is top of the candle. यस नाइट सेशन हाई से बिल्कुल वापस आई है जी वेरी गुड Yes, worked night session high, correct. No, it's not. It did not get there. It did not go to 729 जी अभी नहीं गया वहाँ. मैं सर आया मैं बस स्ट्रेट से निकल जाऊँ. Another mid band is okay on ES. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी correct correct correct. ES night session high से गिरी. $30.20 mid band got tested, and now it's going back up. Really, guys, wait for a market to pick a direction. You enter long, it'll go short. You enter short, it'll go wrong. So don't take a risk, please. I'm just saying. SRES on 1510 is building. Let's see. I need a black candle to the downside on 1510. We don't have any other news other than 1 o'clock bond auction, but because of this government shutdown, it's annoying that आज भाई ने आज लेट आना था ना कह रहे आज नहीं आएंगे अच्छा चलो जब तक ये हो रहा है मैं अपना काम ही करूं ठीक है This one is 16 gig of data. Let's see. हाँ मैं उनको अभी करता हूँ यार ये क्या नॉनसेंस 10 बजे का लाएगा नहीं तो फाहद जाके
Thank you for calling CDW Canada. Nous vous remercions pour votre appel. For English, press 1. As part of this call, we may collect personal information about you, such as your name, email,
Sorry. Just I know the issue that happened. अब सही चलनी चाहिए. Good. Yes. So okay. ओ आ जा यार ऊपर आ जा या नीचे किसी जगह बना ले. All right. I hope they don't. There you go. It's good. Good. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Sorry. Pickup number. वहीं खड़ी है. All right. So I don't have anything. Yeah, top area, volume, yeah, and top area, VNR1, correct. उधर ही खड़ा है, बिल्कुल उधर ही. See, it's stuck on within that 2 or 5. So the word is consolidation, black, 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 so it's not moving anywhere. गाड़ी नीचे चल पड़े तो. Again, it doesn't slip, just falls a little bit, just pauses, falls a little bit, pauses. So I can pick up 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. It's on credit view. किधर है जी credit view?
Credit view.
Credit view. Credit view and dairy. Direction. It's a 20-minute drive. Okay. No problem. After 12, I'll go. So I'm not selling ES yet until my 3020 begins to be red and then goes down. It did not go to R1, only touched night session high and came down. NASDAQ did not go to pivot point, still there. Only for me issue is when the price is at this level, between R1 and S1, if I go short from here, before pivot, it could go towards pivot. So if it's above, I want to sell, but not right now. I want to sell, but not right now. So because you have boxes on 240, I know it's annoying. The whole idea is just to sit there and do nothing is sometimes the smartest thing to do. I did picked up few points here and there from MES at when the market was opening at S1. I was waiting for 520, did not go there. It's okay, no problem. So all my accounts, like $20, $30, 20, 20, 20, 12, 820, 11, 27, 29, 29, 33, 24, 0. So I'm not severely worried. अभी बहुत दिन बाकी है जी. ये तो स्टोरी अभी सिर्फ शुरू हुई है. इतने में हम अपना सर्वर ठीक करेंगे. UPS pick हो जाएगा आज. So hopefully I don't have electricity surge today, so I can survive one day without it. Let's put this up in there. Sorry guys, I gotta go under the table. Okay, where am I connecting this? No, it's all good, all good. Just need this, and this can become port num. हाँ पता है वार्म अप हो रहे हैं तुझे पता थोड़ा. So surge protector ये बड़ा powerful है जी. All right. Oh भाई start हो गया तो. Okay. So I need this. Sorry guys, this is gonna go crazy. Unplug. I'll fix too many changes. I know I've lost the stream again, but don't worry. I'll get. This will happen for next few display port. Oh, ठीक है आ रहा हूँ. Now I need an HDMI cable. HDMI cable. And a network cable. Okay, got myself a network cable. It's gonna go through the switch, 1 gigabit port. Port number 1. Okay. HDMI. All right. Got myself an HDMI. कुछ पैसे बन. आ रहा हूँ. चीखो नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
बहुत बढ़िया खींच के रखो.
This is not good. Maybe it's too much load. Okay. Now I need a monitor for this. Okay. Monitor कोई पड़ा हुआ है. वो NASDAQ गई ऊपर बड़ी तेजी से. Good morning. आप वो यूज कर रहे हो मॉनिटर? ओके. मुझे बस परफेक्ट. नाइट सेशन आई अच्छा चल गया. There you go. One more. इस पे लगाएंगे ना चलो. बड़ी तेजी से ऊपर गए वापस.
ऊपर गई थी 607.
HDMI on. हाँ जी हाँ जी.
USB-C to PDF change.
हाँ ये चल बाद में. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम.
माजिद भाई आए ना?
माजिद भाई आज नहीं आए. HDMI. Come on, give me a boot. No signal. May require DVI cable. This is display port 2. Display port to HDMI. Come on. This needs a DVI cable. कुछ नहीं हो रहा अभी।
ना नहीं है कुछ ट्रेड ले छोड़ दो बस 17 पॉइंट आ गए।
Not picking up a direction. Two new monitors. I need DVI. DVI 2. This one take display port. I don't have a display port cable. कोई डायरेक्शन बन ही नहीं रही है।
100 चालू ऊपर जल्दी है फिर ऊपर 40 पॉइंट कर ले फिर
Do I have it? Display cable. HDMI cable. These are all gigabyte. Maybe this one. There's no smart money in the system at the moment for it's just stuck at 650. कोई बात नहीं, कभी कभी हो जाता है। सिर्फ S1 ही डन हुआ ऑफिशियली, S2 भी मिस ही हो गया। It has to get to 700 or night high 729.
Are you guys doing anything? There's nothing yet. Watching.
It's dead. Okay, guys, I'll be back. I gotta go pick up my car. Time's आया हो रहा है, मैं pick up करके आया. I'll restart the stream. So I'll leave the stream running. You guys can enjoy. Just saying stream is running. So just saying stream is running. Okay. So right? Computer is running, everything is running. What's up is web, what's up? Oh, congratulations जी, हर account में उन्होंने very good जी, very good. Purdia पे बनाए, बुलनॉक्स पे बनाए, टेक प्रॉफिट पे, हर अकाउंट पे $400 इंडिया से बैठ के बनाए. Very good जी, congratulations, you're awesome. So very good. So I will be back for in about an hour, hopefully 20 minutes to go. 20 minutes. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹਿਣਾ ਬੈਠੋ ਤਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਨਾ ਮਿਸ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸਭ ਜਾਣੇ ਆਣਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ. 1, 2, because I have to go to CWD and I have to go to pick up a display port cable because this adapter is not working. All right. So $704 is coming. Yes, we're getting ready for चलें वेट ही कर लेते हैं. अगर पिवट पे आती है, पिवट से आई तो ES को देखें because ES gap is starting to be lower and lower and lower. It's down to 29. It was 87. ES भी वहीं खड़ी है, NASDAQ होते होते. So NASDAQ when it gets to maybe So the gap needs to be 4 to 5. Maybe 6, but nothing crazy. ऑर्डर लगा देते हैं. What will be the value? ES का क्या वैल्यू एरिया होगा? 71 है. 72 से या 72 पे देखते हैं कुछ जाके. पैड ऑर्डर मिल गया था. नहीं सर, वो आए ही नहीं. 600-700 तक पहुंचे. 680-85 तक गया है. तो 682 तक गया है. ये अगर इसका लिक्विडिटी मिल गई ना यहाँ, तो पिवट ये नाइट हाई है 729. फिर आ जाती है और फिर वापस आ जाती है. सो ES न्यूज तो अच्छी आई है. सो 74
क्या 60-40 क्या किया तुमने? अच्छा
वैल्यू एरिया 62 है. वैल्यू एरिया 73 है. वैल्यू एरिया पे आनी चाहिए इसको. 73 तक, 73.50 तक तो आनी चाहिए. तो 73 would be a good sell. 1 4 3 3 3 ये पता है मैंने उठ के जाना है और ट्रेड खराब हो जाना है. कि ऑर्डर तो लगा दिया मैंने 73 पे 3 माइक्रो से. और सर हाँ जी
ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਉਹਦਾ.
हाँ
ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਥ੍ਰੈਸ਼ੋਲਡ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇਹਦਾ
किदा
ਟੇਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਦਾ?
टेक प्रॉफिट उत्थे ड्रा डाउन होंदा है ना उत्थे, मीनिंग कि ट्रेडोबिट दे उत्ते ट्रेडोबिट दे लॉग इन करो ना.
ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹ
अकाउंट पास हो गया था ठीक है.
हाँ
बस ਇਹਦਾ ਕੁਝ ਕੋਈ ਚੈੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ. ਬਸ
ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ
कुछ नहीं, शामी ईमेल आ जाएगी.
ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ?
नहीं कुछ नहीं करना. सब 8 ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ क्रेडिट आएगा
ਓਕੇ
2 दिनों तक.
ਉਹਨੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਨੂੰ 2 ਦਿਨ ਛੱਡਣਾ?
2 दिन कुछ नहीं करना.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ.
सर्टिफिकेट आएगा, क्रेडिट आएगा.
ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਹਦੀ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ?
सिर्फ 1500 बनाओ.
ਨਹੀਂ ਹਫਤੇ ਚ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ करना?
हफ्ते 6 दिन.
क्योंकि बेटा ना 19 तरीक तक
एक माइक्रो इन एंड आउट कर दिया करो हफ्ते दे. दैट्स इट.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੇੜਨਾ.
नो प्रॉब्लम सर. बेहतरीन हो गए.
थैंक यू. मेरे सांस हो गया वैसे.
और कोई गल नहीं सर.
टेंशन हो गई.
नहीं
टेंशन हो गई.
पीए दी कोई टेंशन नहीं. एदी ते
पंजाब
कुछ नहीं मिला.
आएगी.
सब ठीक है. थैंक यू. लेकिन
No.
700 की वेट कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी, साढ़े 700 का वो गई थी 682 से फिर आ गई. ES is 72. हाँ जी मैंने 73 है जी. 60 मिनट का वैल्यू एरिया का टॉप. ES का 60 मिनट वैल्यू एरिया टॉप 73 है जी. So. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ. Maybe everybody's waiting till tomorrow for the interest rate. You know, that's Again, let's see if first pullback works. Purdia, divergence on 30-20 a little bit. Let's see. जा रहा है जी से थोड़ा थोड़ा ग्रीन ये कैंडल बननी शुरू हुई है 240 पे. See, the thing is, it wants to go down to fill the green box. Then it can go anywhere. But one hour price did not move. It's back to 62. ES value area 63, ESR 170, sorry, 73, 6873, ESR 1, 6873 value area, ES. So again, NASDAQ तो pivot से ही गई है. PP से चलेगी तो ES. Too many markets. PP पे आई नहीं NASDAQ. NASDAQ का वेट हो रहा है pivot का. This is where it will really confuse you. It's right in between R1, S1. Do you want to go green? Do you want to go red? So if it makes pivot as a base, then yes, maybe we're heading up, but it's coming from 560, by the way. And now it's 674. High gaya is 680. NQ, NQ, NQ. So our high has been for the morning session 25,682. $682, and the low has been 25,560. It's almost $122. Ultra. Gap is reducing even more. We're down to $35 to $3, so 10. So NASDAQ is getting sink slowly. जा रही है जी थोड़ी 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 थोड़ी. $680. Stem got to 686. Market is not moving, so what can I do? I'm gonna get this server going. Appointment.
कैंडल खुले फिर दे ठीक है
हाँ अभी तो 3 मिनट है 11 बजे वाली कैंडल 1 आवर वाली कैंडल देखते हैं कौन सा स्टॉक ऊपर खींच रहा है जो
कल दोपहर में इनवीडिया दी आई थी चाइना के नाल
टेस्ला ही है मीनिंग $8 ऊपर बस बाकी तो मेटा इज
गई सी ना नैसडैक इनवीडिया लग गया ਸੀ आफ्टर आवर $4 गया
Nvidia भी 180 85 पे खड़ा हो गया
कहा दे ने चिपां गईਆਂ ना ਉੱਥੇ ਕੱਲ 189 ਤੇ ਗਈ ਸੀ
गूगल 315 माय गॉड
गूगल पे ਉਹਨੇ ਲੈ ਲੈਣ ਪਾਣਾ ਕਾਫੀ ਇਸਤੇਮਾਲ
शायद कल वॉलेटिलिटी आया
कल भी पीएम सेशन ਚ ਆਈ पीएम सेशन ਤੇ नहीं
थोड़ी स्पीड आती है इसमें फिर खत्म हो जाती है
एनर्जी नहीं है ना
गोल्ड आ रहा है जी एक्सपेक्टेड आई
गोल्ड पहुंच रहा है गोल्ड में चले जाते हैं हाँ गोल्ड अभी दूर है जी गोल्ड में लूंगा 4258 पे उससे पहले नहीं गोल्ड चढ़ लेने दें 58 से पहले नहीं कीजिएगा 30 मिनट का अपर बैंड है और वहां पर एक लाइन भी जा रही है पिछली 58 so gold I'm waiting for 4258 that level और जी 11 बजे वाली खोल गई है कैंडल अब इसने आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ग्रीन ही बनाया देखें पिवट की तरफ आ तो रही है so let's see is it gonna give me anything from the pivot if you're done your daily target you don't have to trade just saying दोबारा नाइट सेशन हाई की तरफ आ रही है and 700 let's see if it gives us anything from 7 or 4 pivot पे रुकेगी कि नहीं ये क्वेश्चन है ये नाइट हाई 730 है लेकिन पिवट पे रुकनी चाहिए almost 12 का गैप रह गया ES और NASDAQ का so they're almost getting synced $695, 97, 98, 700. Okay, 702. Picked up my one order on my at 700. 700 पे कुछ एंटर हुआ हूँ मैं 2 पॉइंट अभी तक 4 पॉइंट because we are 7 of 4 is the pivot 4 पॉइंट ही मिले अभी तक 5 पॉइंट 5 पॉइंट 5 पॉइंट Hey, 93, 90, 10 point and I'm out. I'm out. 10. Done जी 10 points from 700. Done जी पिछले ठीक है 700 10 points I'm done from pivot. All right 12 भी आ गए लेकिन 10 points is good. Ooh, 10 points is more than enough. If you took it, congratulations. If you didn't, it's okay. No problem. 88 तक 86 तक आई 12 पॉइंट दिए उसने So 700 is done. Now wait for night high now, which is an R1 night high is good enough. जितने पॉइंट 10 तक पॉइंट ही मिलते हैं जनरली फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पिवट के ऊपर ज़्यादा भी मिल सकते हैं लेकिन 10 तो मिल गए हमें 700 से एंटर किया 690 पे बाहर आ गए 15 पॉइंट हो गए हैं वैसे टेक्निकली So 7 there you go pivot 15 points done जी दमन सिंह very good out of Nova Scotia very good 10 points done 15 points done pivot is done so our trade of pivot is done congratulations if you waited this long and it tested the pivot and done this trade is done मैंने उसमें थोड़ा PA में डालने थे अकाउंट में बुल नॉक्स के क्योंकि उधर 2 दिन रह गए ने फिर आज 9वां दिन हो जाएगा फिर मैं तीसरा 3000 भी अप्लाई कर लूंगा डन जी 10 पॉइंट्स डन 10 पॉइंट्स डन अब वेट करें जी अब वेट करें नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज शुड समवेयर फर्स्ट इट हैज टू टेस्ट नाइट सेशन हाई बट उसके करीब करीब ही 750 780 हमारा एरिया पड़ा हुआ है सो 702 तक गया जी So 10 points are done from there. Done. So S1, so technically S1 got done and technically your $300 done. Congratulations. Good. Everybody against the trend. ठीक है वापस आ गया 700 पे. So if you took pivot, you took it. I entered at 700, couple of micros, 10 points, 5 points. With some 5 micros, I took 5 points. Let's see. So now let's wait for the next. Let's see if it breaks pivot, makes pivot as a base, and then even though in the morning base was down, pressure was down, इसको ग्रीन बॉक्सेस हैं, फिल करने जाना है 350 तक. डब्बे आ गए हैं, डब्बे आ चुके हैं जी, डब्बे आ चुके हैं.
फिर 702 तक.
हाँ फिर 700 वो पिवट इतना सारे कहाँ से आ रही है? 560 से 700 तक उसने रुकना है यार, थोड़ा खेलना है इसने. अभी पिवट नहीं तोड़ सकेगी ये इतनी जल्दी. अगर तो करीब से होती तो ठीक था, लेकिन राइट इन द मिडल है R1 S1 के, राइट इन द मिडल. Very good, G. $100 done. 7 accounts, 107. Quant Tower, very good, G. So if you're done, very good, G. Now, next is wait, because night session high is 730, 729.50 of NQ. So let's wait for the next number. I'm going to truly step out. See you guys. So I'm going to leave you guys with two numbers. Still 520 is valid. Why? ब्लू बॉक्स का बॉटम है नंबर 1, 240 का मिड बैंड है नंबर 2, नंबर 3 560 से नीचे है. ये तीन चीजें तो हैं. अगर मैं देखेंगे रास्ते में, अगर नंबर ऊपर वाली साइड पे 730 क्रिटिकल है, और वेट करें, फिर अगर 730 टूटा तो आगे पीछे कुछ रह नहीं जाता. फिर आगे 787, एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 730 योर रिस्क कैन बिगिन, बिकॉज नाइट सेशन हाई से कुछ पॉइंट मिल सकते हैं. फिर आप जाएंगे 760 would be okay in between, 750 780 के दरमियान. So first is night session high and then something else. All right, but I'm going to turn off the TikTok. And I'll turn off the stream too. We're kind of done. If 10 point ही थे, S1 भी हो गया आज और pivot भी हो गया. आज pivot 700 का point हो गया. See you guys tomorrow. I'll just gotta go pick the cable, come back, start my server configuration, and that's all. I'll come back and maybe reopen TikTok, and we'll build a server together. Because वो कल 10 इंटरेस्ट रेट सारे बैठे हुए हैं, वो देखें. ऑल आईज ऑन कल का बड़ा मेन दिन है जी. आज भी जोल्ट से कोई हरकत नहीं आई. तो नंबर देखिए, पहला नंबर तो नाइट हाई है 730, नाइट हाई पहला नंबर है. और मेरे पास जो नंबर 741 है ना, वो भी रीजनेबल है, क्योंकि वहां एक मिड की लाइन जा रही है. कल का जो मिड है ना वो 750 था. कल का हाई था 870 867. कल का लो था रेड लाइन. तो 240 के अंदर मैं देख रहा हूँ, और किसी चार्ट में नहीं. हाँ बट आने हैं जी, इसने 350 तक जाना है FTM में. हम नॉट ऑन ज़ूम. 240 का चार्ट है जी. 240 के चार्ट में मैं देख रहा हूँ आपके लिए 750 60. सो 30 से रिस्क स्टार्ट होगा. एंड ES के लिए वेट करें 73. वैल्यू एरिया को भर लेने दें. सो थैंक यू जी. कुछ मर गया आज, थोड़े पॉइंट निकल आए, थोड़े बहुत, थोड़ा ठीक है. Let me shut this down and stream.